Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Got my glasses on my face, we're gonna hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack.
That'd be so disgusting.
Brushing your teeth with that?
I hate pride. I can't stand it. Not gay pride, that's good. But just prideful people, like the Philistines. Very prideful. Got hit with a f***ing rock. Lost the whole battle.
Wait, you can
It cost $1 just
you
to
can
start
just
it up.
scooter around with it without the back.
No, it says something wrong.
Yeah, don't fall in one of these.
That's what I'm saying.
You fall in, they don't come out.
Yeah, it's a foot deep. Maybe not even. That's what's dangerous about it.
Foot locker. I barely know her.
FEMA's.
Make a joke out of that.
FEMA's. Man, I miss that smell. Reminds me of simpler times.
Okay, let's leave our print forever. Now I'll always be here.
All right, we're good.
Have we done?
So, just rooftoping tonight. The huge back on our BS after a long hiatus because exploring people suck. Only like doing it with the boys. I'm going down this. Hopefully I don't die. Stand on this corner. Oh, gross. That sounds really funny, Philip. Thank you.
That sounds hilarious.
I'll be at the top level of that.
Yeah, fucking bad.
Here, Phil, stand still.
Just that still shit.
Okay, we're good. What? St. Paul? Like that direction? Here, everyone, stand still. Stand still.
I buy stock in avocados from Mexico.
He's gonna.
Here, and go stand on there. Do you guys want to dip? Thanks.
I go down second.
I've been thirsty ever since Pillsbury. Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Got my glasses on my face, we're gonna hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack.
God, that'd be so disgusting.
Brushing your teeth with that?
Brush your teeth with Jack Daniels.
Dude, that'd be swag. Dude, that's the life, bro. Just go out here.
My mom was out on the city this late. I would probably have to yell at her and send her to bed. I live it how I did it. You feel this all.
Should we jaywalk? No?
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home, Roger.